Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Then enter your graphic card model number, GeForce RTX 3060 Ti Gaming 8G, and then hit enter. Then click on the product. So this is your, and you can see 2.0 1.0, there are two versions. So both versions driver download and installations process same. So select, click on the name of the title, then click on support. Select your operating system. Okay, this is only Windows 11 supporting, you can see. Then this is your driver, and you can see it is download options. So when you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see in the download options, and it will take 4 to 5 minutes and depend about your operating system, depend about your internet speed. And after that it is downloaded, then click on three dot and go to download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that also completed driver, then restart your system.